If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey. I know I'm whispering. I'm talking low because it's early in the morning. And y'all, I didn't even put on no hair for y'all because y'all know I keep it 100 with y'all. Y'all know my situation right now, but I wanted to make sure I got you guys up a video. So I am filming in the early morning, and I have people sleep in my living room. So I can't talk that loud, so I won't be home that long. But I did do an eye for you, though. I did come through with an eye. My hair might not be done, but my eye is. And I hope you guys will like it. And I'm going to show you what we use. We use the MAC Purple 9 times. Purple times 9 palette. And I'm not going to do any talking through this video. I am just going to let a little music play or something in the background. But I'm going to tell you right now. This palette was hard to work with. They didn't blend out well. I don't know what the deal is. I haven't used it that many times. And then I also use the Makeup Shayla. And y'all, it's the purple one. Child. It was a struggle. But I tried, y'all. I tried. So if you want to see how I got this look, and just know that in the next video, same little head wrap, same little shirt, but I'm getting it done for y'all. I'm getting it done for y'all because I love y'all that much. But if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. All right, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that look. I am so sorry that I'm coming in with my little do-rag on in the intro and the outro and in the middle, but it is what it is. And it's going to be the same way on the next video. But I love y'all. All this comes from the heart. But to all my new subscribers, this ain't how it normally is. This is not how it normally is. I normally be a little bit more put together. But To all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.